I want to show you some marketing genius by Google Ads here, and something that causes us some heartburn as a Google Ads expert, management company, and is probably confusing to the user. And that is the optimization score. This is a beautiful trick by Google. You'll see the optimization score here. So even though we've had a bunch of leads on this account, you can see that we're at a 57% optimization score. Actually, our better performing campaign has a lower optimization score. Someone looks at that and they're naturally going to say, darn, you guys really suck. But here's the trick to the optimization score. Let's take a look at the optimizations that they suggest. So let's dismiss some optimizations. This is not we'll say it's not relevant for our business. And then notice that suddenly our optimization score will go up. Wow, it's now 72%. It doesn't matter whether I apply them or dismiss them. It just matters whether they exist. So they'll have all these recommendations. For example, add new keywords. Landscape landscaping. Landscape architecture. Landscaper near me. There could be good reasons not to keep those, but or have those included. Depends on landscaping. I don't think so. But let's dismiss them and see our score go up. Here's our score, 72.4. Dismiss. It's not relevant. Dismiss. Well, we're at 77%. We keep getting better and better. It doesn't matter whether we apply or dismiss. It's going to improve the score either way. So that optimization score really means we told you things we want you to do. If you have not reacted to them in some way, we're going to ding your optimization score. The optimization score has nothing to do with conversions, with leads. It's just ideas that Google thinks we should implement. People look at that score and they're like, crap, you guys suck. That's just not the case at all. See, I'm just going to keep getting better and better and better. Oh my gosh, look how good we're doing. This is cool. Use display. Yeah, no, thank you. We're at 100%. Look at us. Man, we are kicking some butt now. We're really, really good. All we did was dismiss their recommendations. And occasionally you'll find a recommendation that's valid. Almost 100% of the time, they are. So don't let that optimization score fool you.